Hello, 8th grade students and parents. I'm Katie Jackson.
And I'm Lindsay Jordan, and we are career coaches for Elmore County Schools. Camp Discovery is a 4-day summer camp on the Elmore County Technical Center. We sometimes call us ECTC campus, and this is just for 8th grade students.
It will take place at the start of summer, right after Memorial Day, from May 26th through the 29th.
At Camp Discovery, you will have the opportunity to explore all of ECTC's 17 programs with hands-on fun activities.
Bus transportation is provided,
and lunch is provided each day as well.
This experience is offered at no cost to students and parents.
Your schools have printed copies of the applications for Camp Discovery, or you can look in the Parent Square message that was sent to all 8th grade parents and students.
Please return your completed applications to your counselor by Friday, May 1st.
There are limited spots available for camp, so the faster you turn your form in, the better of a chance you have to be able to attend.
And now, here are some highlights from last year's camp. We'd love to see you at this year's camp.